Assumed mean method. Sometimes the product XIFI is large, hence it becomes difficult to calculate the mean by direct method. So let us study another method called the assumed mean method. Finding the mean becomes simpler if we use addition and division in this method. For example, we have to find the mean of the scores 40, 42, 43, 45, 47 and 48. The observation of the scores reveals that the mean of the data is more than 40. Assume that the mean is 40. Let us find the deviations by subtracting 40 from each score. These are called deviations. Let us find their mean. Adding this mean to the assumed mean, we get the mean of the data. That is, mean is equal to assumed mean plus mean of the deviations. X bar is equal to 40 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 upon 6 is equal to 40 plus 25 upon 6 is equal to 40 plus 4 1 upon 6 is equal to 44 1 upon 6. Therefore, X bar is equal to 44 1 upon 6. Equation 1. Using the symbols A for assumed mean, D for deviation, D bar for the mean of deviations. The formula for mean of the given data can be briefly written as X bar is equal to A plus D bar. Let us solve the same example taking 43 as assumed mean. For this, let us find the deviations by subtracting 43 from each score. The sum of the deviations is equal to minus 3 minus 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 7. Now, X bar is equal to A plus D bar is equal to 43 plus 7 upon 6. As the number of deviation is 6 is equal to 43 plus 1 upon 6 is equal to 44 1 upon 6. Equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, taking any score or any other convenient number as assumed mean does not change the mean of the data. Let us take one more example. The daily sale of 100 vegetable vendors is given in the following table. Find the mean of the sale by assumed mean method. Solution. Assumed mean is equal to A is equal to 2250. DI is equal to XI minus A is the deviation. The table is prepared according to the following steps. 1. Assumed mean. A is chosen as 2250. Generally, the class mark of the class having maximum frequency is chosen as the assumed mean. 2. Classes of sale are written in the first column. 3. Class marks are written in the second column. 4. Values of DI is equal to XI minus A is equal to XI minus 2250 are written in the third column. 5. In the fourth column, the number of vendors and their sum is written as summation of Fi. 6. In the fifth column, the product Fi into Di and their sum is written as summation of Fi Di. D bar is equal to summation of Fi Di upon summation of Fi is equal to minus 10,000 upon 100 is equal to minus 100. Therefore, mean X bar is equal to A plus D bar is equal to 2250 minus 100 is equal to 2150. The mean of sale is rupees 2150.